Hey, what's up guys, Minimal Tech here, and it's time to say goodbye to Cyanogenmod on the Moto G and say hello to the new Lineage OS that's now available for the Moto G. Let's get started. Testing out Cyanogenmod 14.1 for a couple of days, and actually weeks now, and it's been a pretty good experience. Everything has been stable, but the ROM is technically not supported because Cyanogenmod doesn't exist, and Cyanogenmod turned into Lineage OS. And there you can see the old Cyanogenmod boot animation. And now, since Cyanogenmod turned into Lineage OS, and it's starting to roll out and update all the old Cyanogenmod ROMs into Lineage OS ROMs, one of the devices that's been chosen that's also about to be updated to Lineage OS right now in this video is the Moto G 3rd Gen. Alright, let's jump right into it. So first off, what you're going to want to do is go down in the link of the description that's in this video or in my last video of the review of Cyanogenmod 14 or Nougat on the Moto G. You're going to want to look for the link where I labeled ROM, and you're going to click on that, and that's going to take you to the XDA page where the ROM is available, which has been updated now with Lineage OS. You're going to want to scroll down to where the downloads are available, and you're going to want to click where it says downloads, and it's going to say Lineage OS. You're going to click on that. It's going to take you to the new Lineage OS page, and after that you're just simply going to click and download the latest build version of the ROM. Then right after that, you're going to want to go to the other link in the description, and it's going to take you to where you can find the Google Apps. Now, when you go to this page, you're going to want to look for a specific Google app, or well, you're going to have to set it up to be able to download the right Google Apps for this phone. The one you're going to want to download is the Google Apps ARM 7.1 Nano. The reason you're going to download the Nano one is because it's a lot smaller. It doesn't include all the Google apps, and in my opinion, it just includes like the most useful ones. And from there, you can just install whatever Google apps you want, and they won't be written on your system. And that way, you can just install what you need, and you won't have what you don't need on your device. Alright, once you have all of those files, just to make sure everything is on your phone, you're gonna want to check your file manager just in case. You're gonna go down and check if you have the ROM right there and your Google apps, and after that you should be all set to go. And now what you're gonna want to do is restart your device into recovery and let that run. Hurry up. My device does this for some reason. I might have messed up, but if it does boot into the bootloader, you're just going to move with your volume buttons into recovery mode and let that run through. And it's booting over into twerp recovery. And we'll let that run through also. Alright, with your device in recovery mode, what you're going to want to do is, first of all, wipe everything. Just do a factory reset. That's just going to wipe your apps and the data with the apps. Possibly text messages also will get deleted. And yeah, everything's going to get erased except anything on your internal storage, which is probably going to include pictures, videos, anything on your internal storage on your SD card should be good. And yeah, after when you've done that, you're just going to swipe that, let that run through. Alright, and when that's done, you're going to go back and back. You're going to install, find where you saved it, which I saved it on the root of the memory of the internet. Alright, so you're first going to do is you're going to click on the ROM and you're going to install that, flash that. You're going to go back and install those Google apps and let that run through also. It should just start booting up. Let's see. It might take a while. First boot, when you load a new custom ROM, always takes a long time because everything's setting up, you know. And let's just let this run through. Once it boots up, it should look something like this, and you should just easily run through the setup. Now all you need to do is run through the setup. The reason my SIM card isn't showing up is because it's in another phone right now, and my main phone, my Moto X. And that's it. You should be done. Alrighty, and just like that, we've installed Lineage OS. I will be doing a review on this very soon. If you guys have any questions, comment down below. And yes, I am Minimal Tech, and I'm out. Peace.